The Holy Trinity is one of the most unique and essential teachings in Christianity. It describes the nature of God as one being existing in three distinct persons: the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. This means Christians believe in one God, not three. However, within this one God are three persons, each fully and completely God, yet not separate beings. Let's make this clearer. The Father, Son, and Holy Spirit are not three parts of God. Each is fully God on their own, but they share the same divine essence. The Father is God, the Son is God, and the Holy Spirit is God. But the Father is not the Son is not the Spirit, and the Spirit is not the Father. This is a core belief in Christianity and shows that God's nature is more complex and profound than we might first think. This teaching can be hard to grasp because there is nothing like it in human experience. Some might try to explain it using examples like water being ice, liquid, and vapor, or the sun being a ball of fire, light, and heat. But these analogies are not perfect and can lead to confusion. For example, they might suggest that the Father, Son, and Spirit are just different forms of God, which is not what Christians believe. Instead, the Trinity means that these three persons are distinct and relate to each other, yet they are not three separate gods. They are one God. The word Trinity itself does not appear in the Bible, but the concept is there. The Bible reveals this nature of God through various verses. For example, in Matthew 28 verse 19, Jesus commands his followers to baptize in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit, showing the equality and unity of all three. Similarly, in John 14:16-17, Jesus talks about asking the Father to send the Spirit, clearly showing all three persons working together. This unity is not just about function, but about being. However, it's essential to avoid common misunderstandings. One mistake is thinking of the Trinity as three separate gods. That is called tritheism. Another is to imagine that God changes forms, appearing sometimes as the Father, sometimes as the Son, and sometimes as the Spirit. This view is called modalism and is also incorrect. The truth lies in holding the balance that there is only one God, but this one God exists as three distinct persons who love, cooperate, and share the same divine essence. The Trinity reveals that God is relational, even within himself. This relational nature reflects his love and his desire to be in relationship with us. The Father loves the Son loves the Father, and the Spirit is the bond of love between them. This love overflows into God's relationship with the world and humanity. Therefore, the Trinity is not just a theological puzzle. It shows us the nature of divine love and unity. Understanding the Trinity is not easy, and even theologians admit it's a mystery beyond